So it's National Heritage Day in South Africa. People all over the country celebrating the national heritage. Also, it's a National Barbecue Day, which is called a National Braai Day. So because it's raining, I decided to do the vlogs on the barbecue. You have a look and see. This is the culture of South Africa. At Makanana Food 20 at the workshop, Durban workshop. Hal So how are you enjoying your Braai Day, ma? How are you enjoying your Braai Day?
Oh, I'm enjoying too much.
Heritage Day.
Yes, I'm enjoying Heritage Day. It's a traditional, and I cook the traditional food, like Zulu chicken, and I've got beans. We've got all the Zulu things, you know. We remember our Ilembe, our leader, Shagazo, today. That is why I'm still enjoying even the weather, although the weather is not okay.
Your outfit is so beautiful.
Thank you.
And what your culture? Tell us more about your culture.
Oh, culture yami, I'm a Zulu woman. This is why if I'm wearing this, I'm presenting my Zulu culture.
It's such a beautiful culture. So you're having a lot of customers today?
Yes, as you can see, we're going to be busy today. We already started to be busy.
Tell us about this here, the people watching. What is this you're making?
Yeah, it's a braai.
Like sausage or steak? So the auntie is Makanana food at the workshop shopping center in Durban, South Africa. She's Makanana. She got such a beautiful shop here. They're selling barbecues, and they call it Braai, SHISA, NYAMA. On the National Heritage Day, she's selling this food to all the communities, and she's very busy today. They have So the food that auntie is making, she's making sausages, chops, steak, horse, salad, different types. And the people sit here and they eat the food. She's got a place where they eat the food. Oh, you got a place where the people... The food is looking delicious, smelling delicious. I can't wait to also try it after I make my vlogs today. The auntie also has an assistant, a son also here. The auntie's son, and he's buying the meat from from this braai stand, and it goes to there where the auntie's putting the spices, a whole lot of spices there. So the son is going to put some more meat, much more meat now onto this stand of fire. They call it a braai stand, so he's going to start braaiing. It's going to see.
What time?
The auntie is about to prepare now for someone who just bought some of the meat. Thank you so much, Ma.
Okay.
I'm going to say bye now, right? So you see Makanana Food 2047 open Monday to Sunday here at the workshop shopping center in Durban under the bridge. The beautiful traditional outfit. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. See you in the next vlog.